Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add nearby friends on Snapchat step by step. If you're looking for how to find people near you on Snapchat or add friends by location on Snapchat, this quick guide will help you. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Add Friends icon. Now, Snapchat doesn't directly show a nearby friends list like before, but you can still find people around you using a few simple methods. Tap on the search bar at the top. Here, you can type the username of the person you're looking for. If you don't know their exact username, try searching using common names or location-based keywords. For example, you can type your city name along with a name to discover profiles. This is a useful trick for finding Snapchat users in your area. Once the results appear, scroll through the list and identify the correct profile. Then simply tap on the Add button next to their name. Also, if someone is in your contacts or nearby and has their account visible, Snapchat may suggest them automatically under Quick Add. So yeah, this is how you can add nearby friends on Snapchat easily using search and suggestions. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to support the channel and check out more Snapchat tips and tricks.